Welcome, dear friend, and may the peace of Christ be with you. Thank you for pausing with us to receive this evening's psalm. Wherever you are, take a slow breath, quiet your heart, and open it to God. If this blesses you, subscribe and join our daily prayer family, and leave your intention in the comments so we may carry one another's needs before the Lord. Let us begin. Unto the end, a psalm for David. Judge me, O Lord, for I have walked in my innocence, and I have put my trust in the Lord, and shall not be weakened. Prove me, O Lord, and try me. Burn my reins and my heart. For thy mercy is before my eyes, and I am well pleased with thy truth. I have not sat with the counsel of vanity, neither will I go in with the doers of unjust things. I have hated the assembly of the malignant, and with the wicked I will not sit. I will wash my hands among the innocent, and will compass thy altar, O Lord, that I may hear the voice of thy praise, and tell of all thy wondrous works. I have loved, O Lord, the beauty of thy house, and the place where thy glory dwelleth. Take not away my soul, O God, with the wicked, nor my life with bloody men. But as for me, I have walked in my innocence. Redeem me, and have mercy on me. My foot hath stood in the direct way. In the churches I will bless thee, O Lord. Judge me, O Lord, for I have walked in my innocence. At first this sounds proud. Who dares ask God to judge them? But read on. Prove me, try me, burn my heart. This is not a boast. It is a surrender. The psalmist is not claiming to be sinless, but throwing open every locked room and asking God to come in and search. At the end of the day, dare to pray it too. Not ignore me, but examine me and make me clean. Notice the one line that holds the whole psalm up. For thy mercy is before my eyes. The psalmist can bear to be searched only because he keeps God's mercy in view the whole time. That is the secret of an honest conscience. Not staring at your failures, but keeping your eyes on His mercy while you look at them. Examine your day tonight the way this psalm does. Honestly, but with mercy in front of your eyes, never behind them. I have loved, O Lord, the beauty of thy house, and the place where thy glory dwelleth. After all the asking, the psalm rests in a simple love, a longing just to be where God is. That is where a day is meant to end, not in anxiety over how it went, but in the quiet desire to dwell with God. Let your last thought tonight be that one. Lord, I love the place where you are, and I want to stay near you. End the day with the psalm's daring prayer. Prove me, O Lord, and try me. Search my heart. It sounds proud until you hear the rest. It's not a boast, but a surrender, throwing open every locked room and asking God in. And the one line that makes it possible. Thy mercy is before my eyes. You can bear to be searched only with mercy in front of you, never behind. So look at your day honestly tonight, but with mercy in view. Then rest in the one thing that remains. Lord, I love the place where you are. Thank you for sharing the evening psalm with us today. May the Lord bless you and keep you. May His face shine upon you, and may He give you His peace. If this was a blessing, share it with someone who needs encouragement. Subscribe and turn on notifications so we can pray together again tomorrow. Leave your intentions below. We pray for one another every day. Until tomorrow, go in peace.